Hello students, so this particular scrapbook is given to you all from the school. So this scrapbook has two sections. One is the single line part and one is the plain part. Okay, now when we talk about the single line part, what you're supposed to do here is, see, there is a date column here. So whenever you all are doing a project, you have to write the date of the project here and the topic. Suppose it is English expedition, if it is science or social studies or whatsoever, you have to write the topic here. Okay, and the pictures or the drawing or whatever part, you have to stick it on the plain area here. So every page will have this format. See here, it is plain part with single line. Okay, see here, so it goes on. So you have to write your informations into this single line part, and you can draw pictures or maybe you can stick pictures in the plain area. So I hope you people must have understood how to write or how to make your projects in a scrapbook. The scrapbook is given to you all from the school. तो आपको essay 1 के लिए 20 marks है project के लिए. तो that 20 marks you will be getting by using all your subjects project. You have to do it in this scrapbook and submit it to us. Once you do that, okay, there is one more thing which I need to explain is the index page. So whatever date you all do, whatever date you all write to do the project, you have to mention that date here, and then the topic, maybe like science or EVS, whatever project you all are doing, and accordingly you have to mention it here. Marks, grade and signature will be of the teacher, so you need not write anything on this particular section. Okay, at the end of the scrapbook there is a certificate. Once we go through your projects, we'll give you marks and we'll assign you the grades and we'll stamp and give it to you all later. Okay children, so I hope you all must have understood how to use the scrapbook. Now after seeing what you're supposed to do in the scrapbook, let's quickly see your project, what you're supposed to do in that. So submission date of the project is as given here, 26th October 2020. Okay, timing is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this 3 hours is given to you all to come and submit the projects in the respective schools. Okay, so you all have to come and submit your projects in the school, and you all have to also get your notebooks and textbooks for correction and stamping, because that will have 10 marks and the project will carry 20 marks. So you're getting 30 marks in books and projects. So 26 October you'll have to come and submit. That's really not necessary that children have to accompany. Parents can come and submit the projects. Okay, and on 29th of October they can come and take back the notebooks and textbooks. Yeah, and 26th we will be taking both, but projects will be handing over to you only after we give you the results that time. So we have to write and take out the marks after correcting and all those things, so it will take some time. Books will be giving in say in 4 days time, but projects we won't be handing over to you on 29th. Only notebooks will be given. So quickly we'll check in like what are the English expedition subject project which you are supposed to do. Now I'm just reading it and I'll explain it too. Do this project in the scrapbook. Do you have a sister or a brother? आपके भाई बहन है? Yes, no, है, नहीं है तो cousins होंगे. Somebody will be there na as a brother or sister. So if you do, make a greeting card expressing your love for him or her. Make your greeting card colorful and attractive with drawings, stickers, cutout patterns, etc. You can also write a short poem or message in the card expressing your feelings. So what you're supposed to do is, you all are supposed to make a greeting card. You can make a greeting card out of chart papers or any papers of your choice. It has to be really attractive, and what you're supposed to do is, you have to stick that greeting card in the scrapbook. I'll just show you how you have to do it. So this is a scrapbook. So you all have to come and stick. You all have to stick the greeting card in that plain area. Okay, here. And here in the single line area you have to mention the date and the topic is English expedition, and here you will be writing greeting card. Okay, and this part, the plain area in which you're going to stick your greeting card, it can be opened this way. Once you open the scrapbook, the greeting card can also be opened. You can just open it this way. So you have to make it that way. Okay, so greeting card is the one project what we have given you for English expedition subject. Now the second is science. Now for science, draw and write the names of the digestive system of the human body. Also mention their function in one line. You can refer page 21 in your textbook. Do this project in scrapbook. So I'll show you what you're going to refer from page 21 in your textbook. See, this is page number 21 of your textbook. Okay, in this you can see this figure, this diagram, in which you have to draw this diagram in the plain part of the project book, scrapbook. Okay, and you have to label everything as it is shown. Now what you're supposed to do after drawing and labeling in the plain part, you have to write something more. Now, so what you're supposed to write is, see, I'll tell you, they are asking you to write, mention their function in one line. Okay, when I'm telling you mention their function in one line, that means, see, if you can see mouth, you have to write one line about mouth, one line about food pipe, one line about stomach, large intestine, rectum, anus, small intestine, liver. So one after other. In your scrapbook there is a single line area. So in this single line area, just 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to write, leaving one line. Like if you write mouth here, highlight karo, underline karo, then write one line about mouth. Leave one page. Number 2, if it is food pipe, so write something about food pipe. So this is how you're going to do it. So after science, we'll come down to SS. SS, what you are supposed to do is name any 4 monuments of India and stick its picture. Do it in the scrapbook. So at the plain part of the scrapbook, you have to stick 4 monuments of India. Okay, and you have to name them. You have to stick 4 monuments of India and name them. ओके, प्लेन एरिया में आपको स्टिक करना है. एट द सिंगल लाइन एरिया आप टॉपिक लिख सकते हो, 4 मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ एसएस. मैथ्स. Now in maths you have 2 projects to go for, 1 and 2. So what is the first one is, draw a circle in the scrapbook. Okay, scrapbook में क्या करना है, आपको एक सर्कल बनाना है. I'll just show you how to do this. Use matchsticks to make Roman numerals 1 to 12 on the circle to look like a clock. Use the ice cream sticks to make 2 hands, short and long. Put the hands of the clock one on top of other and pin them in the center of the circle using the thumb pin or stick them. Your clock with Roman numeral is ready. Mention the time on the clock. Refer to page 17 in your notebook, in your textbook, sorry. Can you see this? This is page number 17 on your textbook, and what you're supposed to do is, जो plain area है उसमें एक circle बनाओ using a bangle. It's very better if you could do it using a compass, क्योंकि compass से जब आप गोल करते हो ना तो you will have a center. ठीक है, एक center होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और matchstick use करके you have to make a Roman numeral from 1 to 12. So this now it's looking like a clock. है ना. In the scrapbook, the plain area part, you have to do this, and using using a ice cream stick, a short and a longer ice cream stick, you can make the hands of the clock, and you can either stick them or pin them from the center. Using a Fevicol, you can stick it in the center or you can pin them, and after making a clock, mention the time what you have made. Now here it's showing 10 o'clock. So you have to make the hands of the clock, and you have to also mention the timing what you have made, you know. So this is your first project. So I hope this is very much clear for you all. Now the second is, solve the progress sheet of page number 29 and 14. Attempt any question number 4 and 5 of the progress sheet. So I'll tell you what you're supposed to do here. Okay, so page 29 and 40, there's a correction, page 29 and 40. See here in this page, page number 29 in your textbook, you all can see a progress worksheet. So in this you have to solve question number 4, the whole thing, and question number 5, okay, in your scrapbook. Now take out the next page, that is 29 and 40. So 40th page also have a progress worksheet, okay, and the page number is 4040 in your textbook. Here also you have to solve question number 4 and question number 5. So from the textbook you'll have to only solve question number 4 and question number 5 in your scrapbook. Now in the scrapbook, how you're going to do it, I'll just tell you how you're going to do this. You all can use the single line part for this. Don't use this part, this is little darker page. So if it comes to the lighter shade, you can use this. You can use this part, but when it's coming to the darker shade plain part, the pen won't be visible, so it won't look good. You know, because project is always marks are assigned only with its presentation more. So make sure you can use this darker pages to stick pictures or something like that. Okay. So you all can use a single line as well as a plain part when it is a lighter shade for the maths problem solving of the progress worksheet. Clear, children? Now we have after maths is Hindi. What you are supposed to do is write any one poem of Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji in your scrapbook, not from your textbook. Your textbook has one poem of Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji, but then I don't want that poem. You have to search a good poem of Harivansh Rai Bachchan and you have to write it in your scrapbook. Okay, you all can decorate your poem, you can actually draw flowers around it. It's your choice how you're going to make the pages beautiful. When you make any project, maybe maths hone do, SS hone do, you have to make your project very presentable. That's your way of creativity that you have to show it to us. Next is Marathi. Write all swar and vyanjan in your scrapbook. So all the swar, a se aha, and all the vyanjan starting from ka kha gha to the last letter, you are supposed to write it in your scrapbook. Okay, you all can use single line area or you can use the plain area. Okay, and this is end of the project. This is what you are going to submit to us. Okay. So I hope you all must have understood what you're supposed to do. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye.